What's up, Coprad family? Finally back at the water. Roodekoppes Dam, wild waters, South Africa, crocodiles, apparently close to the dam wall. That's far side there. At Water Phase they spotted the hippos. So yeah, sun is starting to set. Got 3 rods in. 3 meter, 2 meter to 3 meter water, and then I've got one on 6 meter water. Yeah, the fish has been coming out on 2 to 3 meter water. So yeah, just started. Starting to kind of relax a little bit, and then tomorrow we'll sort the other rod. The bank is packed, a lot of people fishing, so hopefully it's not too much line pressure that side as people. Yeah, I'll keep you posted.